Welcome to our presentation on how to center a div using various CSS techniques. In this video, we will explore different methods to achieve perfect div centering in both horizontal and vertical directions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering the art of centering a div is essential for creating aesthetically pleasing web layouts. We will cover step-by-step instructions on how to center a div element within its parent container, ensuring your design looks clean and professional. Throughout the video, we'll walk you through the following techniques. 1. Centering a div with CSS margins, a classic approach to horizontally centering a div. 2. Centering a div using flexbox. Learn how to leverage flexbox to center elements both horizontally and vertically with ease. 3. Centering a div inside another div. Understand the intricacies of centering a div within its parent container. 4. Centering a div with absolute positioning. Discover how to use absolute positioning for precise div centering. Additionally, we'll explore how to center a div specifically with the fireship technique, which is known for its simplicity and effectiveness. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of various CSS methods to center a div and be able to choose the best approach for your specific layout requirements. We will start by demonstrating how to center a div horizontally using different methods. You will learn how to use CSS properties like margin and display to achieve centered alignment. We will also explore the flexible box layout, flexbox, and its powerful capabilities for centering divs both horizontally and vertically. Next, we will dive into the topic of centering a div vertically. You will discover techniques such as using CSS transforms, table cell display, and flexbox properties to achieve vertical alignment. We will explain the pros and cons of each approach, giving you a comprehensive understanding of their usage. Additionally, we will cover specific scenarios, such as centering a div inside another div. You will learn how to structure your HTML and apply CSS rules to achieve precise centering within nested div elements. Throughout the video, we will provide clear examples and step-by-step instructions, ensuring that you grasp each technique effectively. By the end of this presentation, you will have a solid understanding of how to center a div using various CSS methods. Stay tuned to fireship for more informative tutorials and CSS tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest web development techniques. Get ready to master the art of div centering in CSS. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable CSS tips and web development tutorials. Let's dive in and master the art of centering divs together.